Good morning, guys. Today we are seeing another flatbed. It is red color, and the flatbed is same like its name. It's a flatbed. Someone called this a platform. Just carrying the cargoes on the top. In the front, you can hook a prime mover, same like the other one, like this one. Hooking it up, and this is the light. This is the air connector, electricity socket. Here the gap to do the maintenance. Now here is the campaign. We have seen this thousands times, and that's the landing gear. And there we have those ratchet over there, and that's root hook. Here we have the landing gear with double side operation. One is at this side, another is at that side. So you can have the different height of each landing gears because you have a different operation system. Otherwise, it has to be retracted at the same time. Here is the spare tire carrier. Here is the fuel tank. This fuel tank, you can put the fuel here, put the diesel here, and then it would serve for the long distance traveling, like this. Outside is a side protection. We have suspension here. This is suspension hanger, equalizer, leaf spring. You can see the gap from the last tire to the rear is quite small. That's a special design. Here is the protection of the rear. We call it rear guard. This is the light and the protection of the light. And the ratchet, license light. This light is indicator the weight of the trailer, so the other driver can see it in the evening. This is the pattern of the tire. You can see it quite clear. This is the toolbox, a very small toolbox. The weight of the toolbox is about 500 millimeter, and that is side protection and the other end of the fuel tank. We shall have more detailed pictures to show you how we connected with them, but here we can see it has 4 steel bars in each side, and holding it up by holding the fixed stuff at the top of the bottom flange. That's really weird. Yeah, top of the bottom flange. That's the bottom flange. That's the top of it. Sorry. Okay. So that's the name of our client. All right, and then we back to the front. Okay, I think that would be all for today's video. I hope you guys like our video today, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.